partners here at our official venue partner, the iconic and historic Manila Hotel. May I please call on stage Mr. Marvin Tan to award our winners. Mr. Marvin. And also Sir Reggie Kunam. A big round of applause, please. Please join our candidates on stage. And do you guys have a pick? Who do you guys think will win? Mr. Manila Hotel, Mr. The Manila Hotel. Well, Mr. The Manila Hotel's Choice 2025 is candidate number 2, Aragon North. Number at home. Thank you so much to all of our VIPs who joined us here on stage. Once again, congratulations to our winners for today's press presentation. A big, big round of applause once again to all of our candidates. And our media guests are all very excited. Feel free to take more photos of our candidates for today's press presentation. And while you're doing so, we'd like to share to everyone that this Miss Chinatown Global 2025, the reveal, was also presented by Omishi and Hilton Manila Newport World Resorts and co-presented by Crystal Violet, our official crown and jewelry partner. And ladies and gentlemen, within the next 6 days, our 20 modern barons will be facing a few more obstacles, including the cultural night on January 17 in Baguio City, all leading up to the grand coronation event or the winner's night. And just a friendly reminder, it's happening this January 20 at Hilton Manila at Newport World Resorts. Please stay tuned for updates at our social media accounts at Mr. and Miss Chinatown Global and National TV for more updates. And also to our media partners, we have special refreshment prepared for all of you. So please enjoy the snacks that the Manila Hotel has prepared for everyone. And also drop by our sponsors' booths. We have special tokens for all of you.